In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clock to the main screen on Android. Let's get started right from your home screen. First, unlock your phone and go to the main home screen where you want the clock to appear. This is usually the first screen you see after unlocking your device. Take a moment to clear a bit of space so the clock has room. You can do this by moving any app icons out of the way if needed. Now, on most Android phones, widgets like the clock are added by using a long press gesture. So press and hold an empty area of your home screen. Don't tap quickly. Keep your finger there for a couple of seconds. You should see the screen zoom out slightly, and a menu will appear at the bottom or middle of the screen with options like wallpaper, widgets, and home settings. Next, tap on widgets. This will open a panel or list showing all the widgets available on your device. Widgets are those live elements you can place on your home screen, like clocks, weather displays, and calendars. Look through the list until you find the clock section. On some phones, it might be labeled as clock or digital clock, and sometimes it's inside the system or Google section. Once you've found the clock widgets, you'll probably see a few styles to choose from, such as analog, digital, or maybe even world clocks. Press and hold the clock style you like. While still holding it, drag it toward the edge of the screen. Your home screen will reappear, and you can now move the clock to the exact spot you want it. When you're happy with the placement, lift your finger to drop the clock widget there. If the widget is resizable, you might see handles or borders around it. You can adjust the size by dragging those edges in or out until it looks right and fits your layout. Some clock widgets allow further customization, like changing the time zone, style, or what app opens when you tap the clock. To explore these options, tap the clock once or press and hold it and look for a settings icon or an edit option, depending on your phone model. When you're done, simply tap the home button or anywhere blank on the screen to exit the editing mode. Your new clock is now added to your main screen and ready to use.